Good morning, everyone. It is 6:55 and it's 41 degrees. We're all packed up and we're ready to go. What do you got for today?
Here you go.
Today we're going to go 24.5 miles with total ascent is 2,579 feet. Total descent is 4,429 feet. So it's going to be a lot of down, a steep down right away, and just a little couple baby ups.
That's going to be a good day.
Yeah. That's all I got.
What do you got, Rob?
Nothing.
Nothing today?
Nothing today,
Just happy
Rob?
to be here. It's going to be a great day, Kevin.
It's going to be a wonderful day. Trip, do you have anything?
I do, since we're impersonating one another.
Oh boy.
All right. Let's go.
Unpack everything. We're only 2 miles into the day, but I got something really cool to show you guys. You guys remember the Triple Divide Pass? Well, now we're at the parting of the headwaters. So this creek right here is splitting into two and going to Atlantic Creek and Pacific Creek, which eventually goes to the Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. I think it's pretty cool. We're gonna go get some water from here so we can drink from two oceans. We're just about finished up taking lunch. It is 12:44. Everybody disappeared. It's like 76 degrees. I think they just vaporized. Just kidding. No, we were sitting here and we realized that we're at 900.
Woo!
Woo!
We're almost halfway.
100 to 1,000.
Yeah.
Did we just realize it, or did we know that this morning?
You guys are Canada, Mexico. Huh? Good
Yeah.
luck, man. It's amazing. Hope you make it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Be a lot quicker on one of those.
Yeah.
It's a little bit easier, but there's some downsides to them too.
Drowning!
Rob, don't drink it.
Oh my god.
That's my bucket.
So good.
Yes.
So it's 5:40. We still have probably about 5 miles until we get to camp. Just saw a bear run across the trail in front of us. So that's super awesome. We've been seeing like a ton of bear prints, like bear tracks on the trail, in the dirt, and a ton of bear scat today. So I feel like within this past week, we've seen more bear activity than we've seen in Montana or Idaho combined. So, yeah. I'm like super worn out right now. Like totally just, bleh. Kevin kind of is too. We've been in the sun, like going through this like burn area pretty much all day today. So I think that's worn us out. Also, not getting very good sleep because both of our sleeping pads are crap. So, yeah, there's that. I haven't been eating the greatest, but it's all right because tomorrow we hopefully get to go into town, and we should be getting some packages, should be getting some new sleeping pads. They're actually not new, they're our old ones, but some ones that actually work. And we're gonna get some good food, hopefully. So looking forward to that. Also, I've had a headache for like, I don't know, 2 days. I'm probably just dehydrated, but it's kind of annoying too. It's kind of dragging me down, but that's all right. We're almost to camp. 5 more miles. Alright, it's 7:40 and we're at camp. Here's what it looks like. Except we're set up in the trees. Hopefully it'll keep our tent a little bit dry. Trip's behind us and then Rob's right over there. I'm about to go down to this river and clean up a little bit because my legs and feet are disgusting. And then cook some dinner.
Hi. Hello.
Your feet are hidden.
Alright everyone, it's 9 o'clock. We're gonna go to bed. We just got ready, got all of our stuff set up on that inside of our tent and got our pajamas on. Now we're ready to hit the hay. I know I am.
Yeah, today was a good day. It was kind of long at first. I think it just like what she was talking about. We didn't pack out a good resupply through Old Faithful, so like our normal
energy is low.
our normal in between breaks where we're eating snacks, like we're not eating enough, so it's like we're like our brains are like can't wait to get to the next like lunch, and then you're just like
Can't wait to eat dinner.
time just goes slow, but that's okay. Tomorrow we should be going into Du Bois, and we also have a big surprise for everyone. That is
That has watched our videos previously.
Yeah. So hopefully all that goes well tomorrow, and yeah.
That's all I got. I'm ready to hit the hay. We did read a comment, Trip told me about it, about this campsite. Apparently somebody left a comment on Far Out that a bear was trying to get at their food, so...
It was like a month ago. It was on the south side of this river.
Like the bear ain't gonna cross the river.
No, they don't know how to swim.
Yeah, sure. Anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning for another day on trail. And town.
Yeah.
Good night.
Is it a bug? What does that mean?
Ah!
Oh,
Oh, and then you just hit me and you didn't get it?
What was it? Is it a bug?
A huge fly.
he was fast.
Now you have to be on my side.
Oh, that's B. Never mind.
What are you drawing?
That B is all over you, though.